Here with K&K Outdoors. Man, you're in for a real treat today. We're up here at Cedar Key, Florida, at Tiger Island Outfitters. We're going to do a little archery hog hunting. We got Dad up first. He flipped a coin, and then he's the one who's going to be up the bat first. Then it's going to be me. You know, we've been here. It's about our third time here. We've had a real good time. I know he's had a real good time here. We always harvest pigs here. These guys do a great job for us. So you know, stay tuned, and we'll see what we got going on. We'll be back in touch for sure.
Always have a great time here in Central Florida. Hot, steamy. 1st of June.
1st of June. It's hot.
Boy, it's hot and steamy.
It's hot.
It's a good hunt always. Like Keith says, we've been here before, and we're really looking forward to a good time today. We always have one here.
Well, here we are in the stand now, early afternoon. Nice spot. Looks like you can see some nice hogs here. One of our favorite trips up here in June, Florida. Hot, muggy. Fun hunt though, real fun. Just have to see how our luck is today.
Good shot.
Good shot, too high.
A little bit, but not bad. A little bit, but not bad. You want him? You want him? Right there.
Man.
Hit him right in the back of the head. I saw my Luminox shining forever.
Nice going. That was fucking awesome. That's a bigger hog though.
Yeah, I know that.
Boy, you got a fuzzy ass face, dude.
I couldn't.
Right here in front.
Sure.
Right here in front.
Sure.
Right here in front.
Sure. Good shot. Look at him. He's going to go down. Look at him. He's right there. Watch him. Just watch him. Just watch him. I see your arrow. Just watch him.
He's the lead in there, right?
He's all the way to the right. That was a good shot. That was back right where it should have been. He's not going to go far.
The red one wasn't with him.
No, that red one's dead.
He's bleeding well. Nice trail to follow. Real heavy blood. We shouldn't have any trouble finding this hog. He's making his way through here pretty quick. That's good. Really. No bleed. Oh yeah. That's the way. Oh. Alright. We lost the arrow, but we still got the knock. We'll follow him on in here. He's not far. Bleeding. Lots of blood. We shouldn't have any problems here. Okay? All those trees down there. Up to this one. Hey! Alright. I told you. I knew we'd catch up to him. Holy smokes! A lot nicer hog than I thought. Wow. That's a little short fat hog right there. Nice hog.
And go.
Well, another success here at Tiger Island Outfitters. We came, we conquered, thanks to the PSE bows. The hole in this one, nasty, rage, broadheads. But again, never disappointed here at Tiger Island. It's always a real good hunt, real nice hogs here. We've got a few more to pick up, or a couple more I guess we've got to pick up. And we want to thank everyone.
Camera. Alright folks, as you can see, it was a great day here in Cedar Key today. K&K Outdoors getting it done with our PSE bows, our Rage broadheads. Got to say, give a big thanks to Crichton. He's the owner-operator of Tiger Island Outfitters in Cedar Key here. His boys, Josh, Joey, here behind us, our guides, they did a fantastic job. We can't say enough about this place. We've been here more than once. This is not our first endeavor here, our first filming endeavor, but nevertheless not our first, and definitely not our last. Make sure you check it out. What's our phone number here, Crichton? I can't remember off the top of my head.
352-543-0851.
Call this man. He take good care of you. They got great food in the area. They got a place for you to stay, and hogs aplenty. You'll see that in the footage from before here now. All right, we're out of here.